another video on my YouTube channel. My name is Segi, and today we're going to do an unboxing of this Xenvo iPhone lenses for my new iPhone. First of all, we're going to open the box with my knife. Whoa! And voila! When this came, I thought I had another telephone. So we got a carrying bag with a clip-on. And we got the lens. Oh my god. It's very heavy. Woo. I'm going to put it right here. And we got ourselves guide. And let's see what's in the bag. Woo. So we got a clip. That's where we're going to put our lenses. This is a quick release neck strap where you can put your lenses on it and carry it everywhere. And the best part of it, it's a GLOWCLIP LED fill light. Woo! It's a clip! I love it! I love it! I love it! And it's rechargeable. So this is the USB cable to charge my LED light. Woo! It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9! It's got 9 LED lights. No more dark faces. And it's adjustable. So we have low, medium, and high. So let's try it in the dark on my face. Whoa, it's pretty awesome. So this is the low position, the medium position, oh, and this is the high position. How cool is that? It's like a ring light, but very little. And for the big boy, so this is the lens, guys. Look at the difference. Oh my god! This side is the wide angle one with 0.35 times super wide angle lens, and this is the 15 times macro. This is on the other side of it. It's a 2-in-1 lens. So guys, if you want to purchase this iPhone lens kit, I will put the link in the description down below so you can purchase it. So now I'm going outside to show you guys a few video samples that I'm going to make with this big boy. So guys, that was my unboxing video of my Xenvo lens. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, bye!